Hello, Yuri. Welcome to the first lesson for social studies during the distance learning period. The focus is seas, rivers and mountains of Europe, and your learning objective for this lesson is to learn the names and locations of the major physical features of Europe and explain the importance of river transportation. So, little starter task for you. Pause the video and have a think about the question, how do rivers and mountains help define countries? Come back in a minute once you've had a think. Okay, hopefully you might have come across the idea that these actually help define borders. So you can see in the map on the left there, in the red, lots of European rivers, and they actually overlap quite closely with a lot of borders as well. Obviously not exactly and not every time. When you look at the map on the right, it's a bit less precise, but there are some good examples that also help us understand how mountains have defined regions and borders between countries. One good example is the Pyrenees between France and Spain to the left of the map there on the right, and also the Alps, which helps define to a large extent Italy, dividing it from the rest of Northern Europe and Central Europe. Okay, so what you need to do in this particular lesson? Well, the first thing is access the PDF of the textbook. So go to the Teams, go to the OneNote, the content library, find the page that says lessons 1 to 12. You'll need to scroll down and save a copy to your computer before you'll be able to access it. You'll then be able to look at pages 12 to 15 to complete today's Microsoft assignment. Now, if you've ever been to any of these places, European rivers or mountains, and you've got any good appropriate family holiday pictures, and please feel free to add them to the Microsoft team with a little sentence explaining what you're doing. That'd be great to hear about any of your adventures, and hopefully today's lesson will help you understand where you were. So just very clearly, because it's the first lesson, go to the Microsoft team and go to the OneNote section. You should be on the content library. It will look like this, the one that says lessons 1 to 12. You'll then need to scroll down till you find the PDF in red that looks like that. When you open it up, this is what it looked like in the PDF document. And then finally, you'll have to complete the Microsoft assignment. You can see there's 25 points available. There's some videos and images that are on there, and there's even little bits that are taken from the textbook as well. And you might even need to do a bit of research online to really answer the questions properly. Hopefully this explains everything that you need to know in order to complete the first assignment. Your teacher will be online at the time of the lesson if you've got any questions. Good luck.